welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to log into your Dhgate account. So let's get started. To log into your Dhgate account, first of all, you need to open any web browser on your device. Then go to the search bar and type in dhgate.com. Then press enter and you will be directed to the official website of Dhgate. This is the home page of Dhgate. Now on the right side of this page, you can see join or sign in button. Click on sign in option from here and you will come up to this sign in portal. Now all you have to do is to provide your email address that is associated with your Dhgate account. Then enter your password. And if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option right here. Then follow through the instructions and you will be able to reset your password. You also have an option to sign in with your Facebook account or your Google account from here. Now once you have provided all the details, you finally have to click on sign in button. And there you go, you have logged into your Dhgate account. So this is how you can log into your Dhgate account by following these steps. I hope this video was helpful. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.